So I have taught you a lot of technical things. But now that you have that, explore, have fun with it. Bring the whole of your attention and presence to the creative process. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. There are no mistakes. Watch old videos of Karl Lagerfeld sketching. He would do one, didn't like it, throw it away, boom, start all over again. You see, sometimes when we have to rip something apart and do it again, that's when the magic happens. The inspiration, a new idea is born. And reframe failure and mistakes as failing forward towards what you will ultimately arrive at in design. Don't forget that along with all these technical things, it is essential to bring in the spirit of creativity, lo spirito della creatività. Ciao.